Hi everyone, a little update on my heater here. I did add an extra pipe and it goes all the way in the back to get some heat in the back. And here on my heater here, I did change the fan. I did was working nice, but only have like 70 square foot per minute. This one I have 240 square foot per minute. And something else I did here, I don't know if you will see, it's getting dark. I did have to redo this video like 4 times. There was something on my lens, and 240 square foot a minute, really big difference, guys. A lot more heat. So this is it for the heater. And on the restriction plate, Joe Lesage, it's a guy from Quebec, province of Quebec there, and I did put a comment on his video about his snowblower. I would like to point out this snowblower was not, it's good snowblower, it's just that it was standing in the dealer's yard for 5 years. I got it last year and it didn't have any restriction plate. All the new snowblower have those restriction plate, almost all the new ones. And I did some research. It's Joe who gave me the info. The reason I know about the restriction plate is when I bought the snowblower, I was looking for one for a few months, and I've been shopping and I saw that on the publicity of each snowblower, and they don't talk about the restriction plate, but thing is, it prevent the snow from clogging when the prop turns, prevent the snow from getting stuck. And I'm glad I did it, because it's not the same snowblower anymore. Joe, you were talking about when you were backing up the speed. Yes, I have an hydrostat, but I'm able to go faster with that restriction plate when I'm backing up. They say my snowblower is too big for my tractor. Yes, in a way, but with that restriction plate, not anymore, because I'm able to throw the snow a lot farther and I'm able to back up faster with that restriction plate. It helps a lot, make a big difference. So if some of you have more information on that restriction plate, or where to find some information on the net, because big company doesn't seem to give any information. If you go on Joe Lesage last video there, you will see in the comment we did have, both of us, there's a link to a blog, tractor.net, something like that, I don't remember, but just go check the link he gave. And if some of you have any information or find something, I did Google and check for restriction plate. I didn't find anything, but if some of you find something, just put them in the comments so everyone is able to check that out. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and put a thumbs up. Thanks again, guys.